unstable walking. We're gonna walk out on the ice here and go for a little hike. In case, let's see how stable the ice is. Looks like people have been on it. I'm guessing it's okay. But yeah, so welcome to hiking on the ice. Ice hiking 101. If it cracks, run. It's the end of February, so these look like pretty fresh tracks. And it looks like an adult. So I'm guessing it's safe. Kind of just investigating to see if there's any ice fishing, because if there's any open holes or whatever, I'm gonna fish, but I doubt it. So Mama P, Niji, and stay tuned for ice hiking. A little setup for a fire. A log to sit on. Just a little bit here. And I'll start a fire in a little bit and cook up some brats. Sit around a fire and do a brat. I would take out my stove, but no need for that. I'm gonna have a tiny little fire and cook up some brats next to this lake after I've been hiking a little bit. So stay tuned. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to all of my videos, please, and thank you. Almost. And that's fire. There you have a fire. I'm gonna get a little closer. Here we are. Cook it up. Oh, a hot dog on here, or my brat. God, turn guys up to me. I'm not out to burn forth on or nothing. I'm just here to burn up some old sticks and Enjoy a meal over the fire, which is awesome. And nature. So got my Monster. I'm not doing coffee over the fire or nothing, but yeah, just hiking and eating and enjoying nature. I'm not all hiking 50 miles a day or miles and miles and miles or whatever. So you're come out for a little while and enjoy nature. Maybe a mile there, mile back. But yeah, so brats on a fire. And after I'll go for a little bit more of a walk and I'll show you some of the area here where I'm at. I know I've seen some on the way in. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day to be out. Got out here a little bit late, but I was having a bit of a bad luck. I backed into somebody's vehicle and had to have the cops come. I didn't get in any trouble, but still sucks. Don't know if my insurance will go up or not, but yeah. So yeah, so you see me do some hot dogs, brats on the fire, make a fire, hiking, and just want to explain to you how I did the fire. I got some birch bark, some wood, and I got some of the old ferns that were dried up. People call them bracken, whatever, in different areas. I call it old ferns, because that's what they are. Started getting into bushcrafting. I used this pair of grills, Ferris rod and striker. It worked. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely for emergencies because it's small, but it still works. Probably give that one like a 7. This one, because that has everything. This one is pretty cool though. This is my uncle. He got nose into bushcrafting and that, and he gave me a bunch of stuff when he stopped doing stuff for a church that was taking kids for bushcrafting or whatever. But long story short, he gave me a bunch of bushcrafting stuff, saws and everything. I started doing videos and that, and I didn't really know about these knives, and I don't even know if it's right how people call them Moras or Moroccan. What is that? Moroccan? I don't know exactly, but they're Mora knives, and I knew nothing about bushcrafting. But this knife, before I knew or read anything on it, I thought was a really good knife because you can baton it, you can do anything with this. This sucker's straight up awesome knife. So I got that from him. I got a bunch of other stuff in that too that I use in my videos. Shovels, I have other things myself too, but this striker is one of the best ones, not only because it has deer antler and it's in the inside that he made. It has a really nice strike to it. And also, you can see he turned it into a whistle, another little piece. He made it. And then, the 3 noises to alert people. But so, yeah, that's the one I used to start the fire because I like that one better than the other one. That has better strike. I keep it in here. And I always keep it in my backpack when I'm hiking. I do have a lighter and I do smoke. But I like to light fires that way too. It's cool. So, yeah. I'm finishing up eating a hot dog. I'm going to go for a hike. Probably got another hour of light, and so stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And let's end the fire, cleaned it up, put it out, had it back. My little axe with. And we're out. Get you guys a view of this. Sun is over there and it's blinding, so we'll go here. Yeah, on a hill. Walking. Fix this better with my selfie tripod stick, so you guys can see. Fall down, you go to the ice. Summertime, you go swimming. Well, nobody's been back here for a while. You can tell. Nice hard packed trail though. Whew. So yeah, fire, food, hike, walked on ice, sat around, enjoyed this. Ooh. Hiking back. Take a look here. See if we can get it without the sun. Nope, can't. Anyways, yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Hiking. Oh, it's getting deep. I'm off the path. Whoa! Don't go off the path. All right, we're out of the sun. Just show you. Look at that. That's right in between. That's where we're gonna go in between those two snowbanks. Right there. Off into the dock. Wow. So we're done with the video. We're running back to the truck. Yeah, fire and everything started with the fire starter. I just want to say, Bomba P and EGs, thanks for watching my videos. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Native Nature, Outdoor Adventure.